Welcome to Beyond Business Insurance, the channel that's going to make you a better buyer of your business's insurance. Click subscribe below so you don't miss any of the content I'll be sharing. Today I want to share with you the foundational principle for this channel and foundational principle that you need to know as a buyer of business insurance that's going to make your life a whole lot easier and a lot less stressful. So when you buy services as a business, let's say plumbing, typically you're going to call 3 or 4 plumbers to tell them to go get pricing and come back and present. And then you're going to make the decision on that. Because you know that every plumber has different overhead costs, right? So you need to see more than just one option. Well, when you buy insurance, it works way differently. And I want to share an analogy with you real quickly. If you were a pro athlete and an NFL quarterback and you wanted to go, explore free agency, well, there's 32 teams out there. And all 32 teams are represented by the 4 or 5 different agents that you could potentially work with. So you're going to just pick one agent to represent you that you trust and to go negotiate for you and bring you back the best deal. When you buy insurance, you really need to start thinking about yourself as a star quarterback. Stop thinking of yourself as someone who's buying plumbing. And the reason why is this. When it comes to business insurance, there's only maybe 5 or 6 insurance companies that would even offer you a quote. These 5 or 6 insurance companies have contracts with middle people or independent agents, right, that can offer you the final quotes. Now, the insurance underwriters will only accept one submission from one agent per year. So that means if you as a business owner talk with 4 or 5 different agents, and those agents try to go get quotes from the insurance companies, if that company's already been approached by an agent, these other agents can't get quotes from that same company. Okay? And as agents, our price or our overhead costs are not factored at all into your final premium that you pay. The insurance companies, they have that built into their cost models already. So when they send a final premium to an agent, the commission's already built into that premium. There's no negotiating on that front. And all the agent does is take that premium and come back and present it to you as the business owner. Say, here's the final premium, right? So agent A doesn't have a different cost from agent B because of their overhead costs. The only reason they would have a different cost that they can bring you is because if agent B had a different market he went to than agent A. But here's the problem again with this, is that most agents represent the same exact markets. The marketplace, yes, there's thousands of insurance companies, but typically there's maybe 5 or 6 or just a handful that would even offer you a quote. So the only time it makes sense to talk with another agent is if that other agent has a market your current agent does not have. Because if they have the same exact markets and you talk with this other agent, he's going to probably be blocked, which I'll talk about in a future video, everywhere he goes. And then he's going to come back and say, sorry, couldn't really come in with anything better than what your current person's paying or providing. So this is how insurance is distributed. So the final, to reiterate the thought here is, stop thinking of buying insurance like you would plumbing. Start thinking about it like you would as if you were a pro athlete, right? And you're trying to negotiate the best deal. Hire one agent, and just remember, insurance underwriters will only accept one submission from one agent on any given year. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks.